4, 5, 6 subscribers. Welcome back to Nicole's channel. I'm typically behind the camera, known as Bridget, and I'm here today with my friend Sabrina.
Howdy, y'all.
This is your first box, or no?
No, I actually used to do Stitch Fix back in the day when I had some disposable income, but it got to be a little expensive, and so I have stopped. It's been about 3 or 4 years, so
okay.
It's good to be home.
Tell us a little bit about yourself and what returns you to Stitch Fix, besides being on our super fun show.
I'm getting married in February, and directly after that, we're going on our honeymoon, and I wanted to get some travel pieces, some items that are, really wrinkle resistant, hopefully things that are in the kind of black color scheme. When I travel, I do one color of shoes,
Okay.
and then everything has to work around those shoes. So it's either a black base shoe or a brown base shoe, and this trip is a black base shoe.
Where are you guys going?
We're going to Portugal. Do something sharp and pointy for me to like stab into this.
I just punch it. Let's see what we got.
All right. Yeah, I like this fabric on the top. I don't know how I feel about this fabric. This is like a Soma nightgown fabric. All right, this I think is a little more my speed.
Oh, it's so soft.
It's very soft. I kind of like this pattern. I'm very into plaids and things, so
it's got a little angle action, so it's not so basic.
I think this can layer with that.
I mean, it can.
Oh my goodness.
It's a Meg printed wool blend coat. It looks like it's reverse cheetah. Good Lord. Ooh.
When you're doing a little dancing and you do a little sweating,
Yeah.
you can't get out.
No, not only can you not get out, but it's like grilled cheese down there. Starting with the Wham Bam. Thank you, Bam Pants. These are by 151. It's an Eileen skinny. They look great on your body. They're just hideous. But you can rock a hefty trash pant.
If I ever need to hide in an alley, I just need to make sure my butt's up,
Make the swish. Oh, yeah.
How am I supposed to sneak up on people in these pants?
Right.
They're going to hear me swishing down the hallway. These would probably pair well with like a nice pointy flat or like maybe like really pointy pump or something like that with a little ankle exposure if you're taller. For me, it's a scrunchy situation. It's not my fabric. The cut is weird. It goes like up to my, rib cage. It's not good.
Moving on, then we'll talk about this knit top.
Sleeves are a little long for me, but with shirts like this, for the most part, I don't wear them down.
Right.
So I'm more of this kind of gal because short arms. But good pattern, I think.
Yeah, it's like a little grayscale, and it throws a pop of that like mahogany kind of color in there. Nice. It's got a nice cut across the back, and then there's also the darting here, so it brings it into the body. This is super cute. I like this a lot.
I dig this one. It's really soft. I will definitely get some use out of this.
Yes. We're back, and Sabrina's got 2 more pieces on. First is this coat, this dye for coat. This is by Coffee Shop. It's called a Meg printed wool blend coat.
I was real skeptical when I saw this thing in the box. I thought it was real funky looking. It's kind of got like a flocked feel to it. I think you described it as teddy bear, which is pretty accurate. The sleeves are a decent length for me being as short as I am.
It's got pockets.
It does have pockets.
Really nice deep ones.
Yeah, it fits really nice through the shoulders. And I think like the pattern is a nicer neutral.
So how about a reveal for us and show us this Evolution by, I'll take your coat.
Thank you so much.
Evolution by Cyrus. This is the Turley color block pullover sweater. We've got a little boop-a-doop going on. I like that.
I don't know. I feel like you probably see my bra through it, which annoys me in a sweater. Like,
a little bit.
I feel like the sweater's not doing its job if you can see my bra through it.
It feels like one's turning left and one's going straight.
Don't know where we're going. All over. It's not particularly soft to get back on track. I don't know. It's thin, and I don't know that I like the asymmetry. And
yeah. Back with our 5th and final piece on Sabrina. This is by Daniel Rain. It's called a Sahari Tassel Top. It fits the brief in that it's black.
It does, but I don't think it has like flexibility to it. Like I don't think I can layer this with a lot of things. I think it's kind of a one note jeans really, and that's about it.
The colors are great. I love the colors that are in it. The top is cute.
Yeah, I like this stuff. This
This
is pretty.
here, this like little sheer with the little polka dots in
Mhm.
it. It has so much potential, but bad follow through.
I agree. I think if it was a solid color, there'd be more potential there. It'd be more versatile. But I don't know. I don't feel good in this one. So
We're gonna bag it or untag it. So let's get started with these pants. What are we gonna do?
we hate it.
So next up is that lovely soft flannel.
I do love this one. Stitch Fix pricing.
Mhm.
I'll say 50.
68.
Yeah, I think it's a probably. I mean, it's a little spendier, but if it's gonna last, and the
Yeah.
fabric feels really nice quality, really.
Mhm. So then the next item that you tried on was the Go Team Go sweater.
I think I'm gonna bag it. It doesn't fit in my wardrobe.
Next is this little flouncy number. All right, so this shirt.
Thank you for folding that so conveniently.
You're welcome.
I don't know. It's just not me, and
Right.
I wish it well in its future.
Somebody's gonna like it.
Somebody is gonna love
It's
it,
gonna
and
make
it's gonna look
somebody
really
really
good on
happy.
someone.
Speaking of making people happy, feel it, fill it out, love it.
I do love this jacket. I did not expect to like it when just seeing it all
Mhm.
whooshed up in a little ball, but I feel like this is a really versatile piece. I feel like I'm going to have this for a really good long time.
What's your draw the line price on that coat?
I don't do that. I just, when I like a thing, I'm going to get a thing, and I'm spending so much money on a friggin'
What if I
woman.
told you that thing is only $98?
Well, I'm going to get the thing then.
We're getting the thing! All right, well, these lights are melted off maybe it's Maybelline, and we gotta go. So we're gonna go. Don't forget to like it, hit the bell, become a subscriber, comment below. We need fans. Share. Peace. Have you worn Cuddle Duds?
I'm sorry, what'd you call me?
Cuddle Duds.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, get yourself over to Marshall's or
Mhm.
TJ Maxx and get some Cuddle Duds.
What is it called, Doug?
They're leggings.
Oh.
But they're like, oh,
Where do they stand on Chub Rub?
I don't have any. I mean, I have a lot of chub rub, but I don't get any in the pants. Like it, and it also doesn't pile very fast.
Oh, that's
either,
nice.
because you know
Mhm.
that is not cute.
I know, but I need that.
No, I mean, I think Target should just sell those little pile shavers next to the majority of their clothes.
I've also heard black milk is supposed to be really good.
Those.
My coworker swears by them.
Is that April?
Yes.
April, we need you in the hot seat.